Today I am reviewing the DEWALT DWS780 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're serious about woodworking, carpentry, or even advanced DIY projects, then the DEWALT DWS780 is one of those tools that immediately feels like a professional upgrade the moment you start using it. This is not just another miter saw. It's a machine designed to deliver precision, power, and reliability in a way that makes demanding cuts feel effortless. Right from the start, the build quality stands out. DEWALT has a strong reputation for making durable tools, and the DWS780 clearly reflects that. It feels solid, well-balanced, and built to handle tough job site conditions. Even though it weighs around 58 pounds, which might sound heavy at first, that weight actually contributes to its stability during operation. Once it's set up on a workbench or stand, it stays firmly in place, reducing vibration and improving overall accuracy. One of the biggest highlights of this miter saw is its powerful 15-amp motor, capable of delivering up to 3,800 revolutions per minute. In practical terms, this means it has no problem cutting through hardwoods, thick lumber, or dense materials without slowing down. Whether you're working on framing, trim work, or furniture projects, the saw maintains consistent performance, which is exactly what you want in a professional-grade tool. But power alone isn't enough. Precision is just as important, and this is where the DWS780 really shines. The XPS LED Shadow Line system is one of its standout features. Instead of using a traditional laser guide, this system casts a shadow of the blade directly onto the material. What makes this so effective is that it doesn't require calibration and works regardless of blade thickness. You always get an accurate indication of where the blade will cut, which significantly improves confidence and reduces mistakes. This feature becomes especially useful when working on detailed cuts or expensive materials where precision is critical. It saves time and reduces the need for repeated measurements or adjustments. Another major strength of this saw is its cutting capacity. Thanks to the sliding mechanism and well-designed fence system, it can handle large pieces of wood with ease. You can cut up to 2 by 14 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2 by 10 at 45 degrees, which is impressive for a miter saw in this class. The tall sliding fences are also a great addition, especially if you work with crown molding or baseboards. They provide strong support and can be adjusted or moved out of the way when needed for bevel cuts. Speaking of bevel cuts, the double bevel functionality is a huge advantage. You can tilt the blade in both directions without having to flip your material, which not only saves time, but also improves accuracy. The bevel scale is large and easy to read, and the adjustments feel smooth and precise. The miter system is equally well designed. With the ability to miter 60 degrees to the right and 50 degrees to the left, it offers a wide range of cutting angles for different applications. The stainless steel miter to tent plate includes 10 positive stops, making it quick and easy to lock into common angles. This is particularly useful when you're working on repetitive cuts and need consistency. Ease of use is another area where the DWS780 excels. The cam lock miter handle allows for quick adjustments, and the detent override makes fine-tuning angles simple. Everything feels intuitive, even if you're not a professional carpenter. Dust management is often overlooked in power tools, but DEWALT has done a solid job here. The dust collection system captures over 75% of the dust generated, which helps keep your workspace cleaner and improves visibility while cutting. While it's not perfect, no dust system truly is. It's definitely more effective than many competitors in this category. The dual horizontal steel rails and linear ball bearings contribute to the smooth, sliding action of the saw. This makes it easy to perform long, controlled cuts without feeling resistance or wobble. The movement feels precise and consistent, which again adds to the overall accuracy of the tool. Another thing worth mentioning is the gearbox and belt drive design. This setup not only improves durability, but also increases vertical cutting capacity. It's one of those design choices that you might not notice immediately, but it makes a difference in real-world use. Despite its professional-level capabilities, the DWS780 is still manageable in terms of portability. While it's not something you want to carry around all day, it's compact enough for transport between job sites when needed. Overall, the DEWALT DWS780 is a tool that delivers on all fronts: power, precision, versatility, and durability. It is clearly designed with both professionals and serious DIY users in mind. It handles a wide range of cutting tasks with ease, from simple crosscuts to complex angled cuts. If you're looking for a miter saw that can handle demanding projects while maintaining consistent accuracy, this is a very strong option. It is the kind of tool that not only improves your workflow, but also gives you the confidence to take on more advanced projects. In the end, the DWS780 isn't just about cutting wood. It's about cutting with precision, efficiency, and reliability every single time.